If you want to win the lottery, you got to buy the ticket. I recently did some calculations, some quick math, and I've calculated that if I include all the money I've earned from this content creation thing, minus the total amount of expenses I've spent on things like this camera, this mic, this light, and including this second-hand 3,000 plus New Zealand dollars, around 4,000 New Zealand dollar MacBook Pro, I've earned a bit more than I've anticipated from this whole content creation thing. So I decided to reinvest into the, I guess, personal brand with some microphones. So I'll be unboxing these microphones and then explaining my rationale as to why I bought these particular ones, so that if you're in the market and you're someone like me who has 1 or 2 grand spare to invest, maybe these might be a good option for you. So I bought the Rode Wireless Pro, a Rode boom arm, and also the new Rode USB mics. So Podmic USB, lollies, but I'm cutting. The Wireless Pros, the Rode PSA1. There we go. And then now the Podmic. Alright, we've got the pop filter. It's quite soft. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's quite small. I haven't heard that before. I'm trying to update software, currently not working. I'll open these Wireless Pros and explain my thought process behind it all. So I really wanted a stand that could do this. I find that so cool. This just makes things a lot easier, and I like this look of this old vibe. All black looks cool. So I got the PSA1. Now the Wireless Pros, hefty price tag, but I just wanted a lavalier mic firstly, and I just wanted the best audio when I'm shooting someone else. Like if I'm shooting for a professional, they hire me out, I don't want to use this shotgun mic which I'm currently using. Yeah, it's just more professional. If I film in a gym, this is ideal. So yeah, and in terms of this, why this microphone, the Rode USB, I just thought that I wanted to have something that can plug directly into my computer. Hopefully it works. Also, if I wanted to upgrade with the XLR input, I can do so, and the Rode fulfilled both those needs, so that's why I got the Rode. Now opening the Wireless Pros. Oh wow, they're quite small. It's like a clip type thing. So I might do a sound test later, but for now I'm going to figure out why this mic isn't working. Okay, we're going to try installing all the new updates. This isn't on right now, but I'm really happy with this PSA1 arm thing where I can just move it anywhere and it stays. I haven't had that before, and it looks more legit, I think. And also, if I had infinite money, what I probably would have gone for is the Shure SM7B connected to a Rodecaster Pro II. But right now, all I need is a good USB mic that can go into my computer, and it's a bit future-proof. But if I want to upgrade later on, I can always just buy the Shure SM7Bs and the Rode Podcaster 2s. Rode Procaster 2s. So yeah, let's see if it works after I update the computer. So after dinner and after updating my computer, I've managed to get it working. Alright, we're gonna try to record ourselves. Hello. So this is the new Rode Podmic USB microphone. Does it sound better than my D3 Pro, I believe it's called, the shotgun mic, which is mounted on my A6400? So yeah, hopefully this can take my game to a whole new level. I already feel way more legit with this moving around and floating in the air. Much needed upgrade after using my Blue Yeti and the shotgun mic for many years. And then very quickly, I haven't tampered with the settings much, but this is the Rode Video Mic Pro. I wonder how that sounds. I have it next to my mouth. Yeah, I'm trying to speak normally right now, and this is how it sounds. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope that was somewhat useful watching that video, and I think this mic is pretty cool. So yeah, for more content on how to make and strategize educational content, especially short form, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.